Do you yearn for the mouth-watering, fresh taste of homemade pasta? The Philips Pasta Maker, with its ProExtrude technology and 6 shaping discs, can help you bring that dream to life. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into how this incredible appliance transforms your kitchen into a pasta paradise, allowing you to create colorful and personalized pasta effortlessly. Unleash ProExtrude Technology. The heart of the Philips Pasta Maker lies in its ProExtrude technology. This innovation ensures that you achieve the perfect kneading time after time. With precision and consistency, your dough will be expertly prepared, eliminating the guesswork and effort associated with traditional pasta making methods. Perfect mixing technology. The secret to flawless pasta dough lies in the mixing chamber and the robust metal blending bar. The optimized design of the mixing chamber, paired with the powerful metal blending bar, guarantees an even, well-mixed dough base for your pasta. Say goodbye to lumps and uneven textures. With the Philips Pasta Maker, your pasta dough will be perfectly blended and ready for shaping. Healthy, colorful, and personalized pasta. One of the most enticing aspects of this pasta maker is its ability to create fresh pasta and noodles in less than 10 minutes. Imagine having a quick and convenient tool at your disposal for making nutritious, colorful pasta that's tailored to your tastes. Whether you want to go gluten-free or experiment with alternative ingredients, this pasta maker empowers you to craft pasta that aligns with your dietary preferences and creativity. 6 shaping discs for versatility. The versatility of the Philips Pasta Maker knows no bounds. It comes with 6 shaping discs, each designed to craft a different pasta shape. From dumplings to penne, fettuccine to spaghetti, angel hair to thick spaghetti, you have the tools to make an array of pasta varieties, ensuring your culinary creations are limited only by your imagination. What's included in the box? Your Philips Pasta Maker package includes the pasta maker itself, a valuable assortment of 6 shaping discs, a practical cleaning tool, and a measuring cup. These accessories enhance your pasta making experience, making it convenient and enjoyable. Click the link below to see the full product specifications. In conclusion, the Philips Pasta Maker is a culinary game changer designed to transform your kitchen into a pasta lover's paradise. Its ProExtrude and mixing technologies ensure perfectly kneaded, well-blended dough every time. With the flexibility to experiment with ingredients, including gluten-free and alternative options, you'll enjoy colorful, healthy, and personalized pasta. The 6 shaping discs add boundless versatility to your pasta creations. Don't settle for store-bought pasta when you can effortlessly create your own. Elevate your meals, surprise your guests, and redefine your kitchen experiences with the Philips Pasta Maker. Say goodbye to the mundane and hello to culinary excellence.